this video is good. You can see something else. But I'm going to take a video of my sister. Hey, Macy. Say hi. Hi. How are you? You're good. Oh. Can we stop here? I'm going over to my phone for my shit. There it is. That's my choice. So,